forget basic green pea soup. This is Croatian Grašak, a rich, savory, one-pot comfort meal for a Scottish winter. I'm Rozina. I'm Iranian and I live in Scotland. Today I'm joining a global challenge to master this Croatian classic. I have joined forces with creators from across the globe for a massive Croatian food challenge. I'm going to show you the traditional way to get that rich and hearty texture. Let's see if an Iranian cook can do it justice. I'm using fresh green peas and some beef meat to really build that flavor. I have put the full list of ingredients and exact measurements in the description box below so you can save it for later. Living here in Scotland, the weather is often grey and chilly. On days like this, I crave something that warms the soul. Usually I would make an Iranian soup, but today I'm turning to this Croatian classic because it's the ultimate winter warmer. Now that the onions are soft and translucent, in goes the garlic. We only need about 30 seconds to release that amazing aroma, and then we bring in the beef. After adding the beef, sear it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Keep it moving in the pan until it's beautifully browned on all sides. Next, we'll add the tomato paste, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Saute them for a minute or two to toast the spices and bring out that deep and rich color. Then pour in 4 cups of water. Stir it well and bring it to a boil. Then cover and simmer until the meat is partially cooked. As you can see, the meat is about 70% done. Tender, but with a bit of bite left. Now we'll add the chopped carrots and let them simmer for 10 minutes. Next in go the diced potatoes and the star of the show, the green peas. Give it a good stir and pour in 1 more cup of water to make sure everything cooks through perfectly. We'll cover the pot and let the flavors melt together. My Croatian Grašak stew is finally done. The smell in my kitchen right now is absolutely incredible. You can garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or coriander and serve it warm with a side of crusty bread. It's the perfect combination. I have to say this Croatian Grašak is officially a new favorite in my kitchen here in Scotland because it's exactly what I need in these cold days. It's hearty, rich, comfort food and perfect for a cold day. But if you think this stew is rich, you haven't seen anything yet. You need to see my fasenja, the king of Persian stew. It's a dark walnut and pomegranate masterpiece that will blow your mind. Click right here to watch it next. And I will see you in that kitchen. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's a hearty, comfort and very tasty dish. Thank you so much for watching my journey from Scotland to Croatia today. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button.